Welcome to the Getting Started Guide for the TS.75 model TherMA-STEEM Vapor Steam Cleaner. After unpacking your steam cleaner, check to make sure that both switches on the dash are down in the off position. Also, do the same thing on your gun, down and back being in the off position. Next, we'll be adding water. Okay, now it's time to add water. Remove the cap from the top of your machine. The boiler holds approximately 3 quarts of water. Use the provided funnel and start adding water. Check it using the dipstick located in the back of the machine. On the dipstick, from the bottom of the dipstick to the first line is 1 to 2 quarts and then 2 to 3 quarts. You want to drop it in and just let it hang in the lip. Pull it up. As you can see, we're just right about at the 3 quart mark, and that's good. You want to take care not to overfill. If you do overfill, you do have to drain some water out of the boiler. Replace the cap. Make sure it's nice and snug and tight because this is a pressurized cap. Now we can plug into a good grounded outlet. If using an extension cord, make sure that it's at least a 12 gauge heavy duty. Now that we've filled our boiler and plugged our machine in, we're ready to turn it on. First thing you do is turn on your main power switch and then your heater. The machine will reach full operating temperature when your heater light starts to cycle off and on. While the machine's warming up, let's talk about a couple safety items. Number 1 being gloves. Steam is hot, and so will the surfaces you're cleaning. Also, safety glasses to protect your eyes from blowing debris. Once your heater light begins to cycle, we're now ready to start using your steam machine. On the gun, there's a low, medium, and high, 1 dot being low, 2 dots being medium, and both switches at the same time is high. First, select your choice of attachments. Activate your switches and you're ready to clean. When the water level in the boiler gets low, a high-pitched audible alarm will sound. Turn the heater switch off in order to silence the alarm. If you need to continue cleaning, it will be necessary to leave the main power switch on and release all the steam from the boiler with your gun before taking the cap off. Once all the steam has been released, slowly crack the cap and take it loose, refill it, put your cap back on, and you can turn your... There are 2 ways you can shut down this unit. One is just by turning the switches off and unplugging it. The other method, if you would like to cool down the machine before putting it away, is to turn off just the heater and release all your steam prior to turning off the switch.